Hey everyone! For today's video, I decided to do a little boat. It's mostly because I've been playing a lot of Windrose and I really wanted a tiny little sailboat on my desk. So I found these little historical sailboats and I will link the pattern in the description under the video. The boat deck should be quite thick, so I glued them on some mixed media paper, which is quite thick, and I repeated this 2 times so it got about 1 millimeter thickness. These parts should also be quite thick, so I also glued them on mixed media paper, but I just did it once, so the thickness was about 0.5 millimeters. For the sails, I printed them on normal printing paper, so they should be like thin. As for the wire, you should basically have 2 thicknesses, a thinner wire for the sails and a thicker wire for the masts. So I decided to use 2-part epoxy glue to attach the sails to the mast, and it's a very secure glue, but it's very gloopy and you can't be very precise with it. So if you want a neater result, I would suggest maybe PVA glue or maybe super glue. So the next part is the most fun part, I think, and it's the rigging of the ship, and it's basically adding little cables and wires between the different parts of the sails. And for this, I'm just using normal sewing thread, which I coated in PVA glue so it becomes more stiff and sturdy. For the last step, I just added some flax, and I'm really impressed how nice it looks for the tiny size. It's really impressive, but I hope you guys give it a try, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.